Some people say that there exist two type of people in this world, successful and failure. But I say there exists only one type of people, and that is only successful person. I think there is no person who is a failure. Every man is a successful in their life, more or less. We all try with our heart and soul to do any work. But in that everyone is trying to win. So everyone of course will not be the winner. Someone has to fail. Unfortunately one person win and the other one is fail. The person who fail is not actually a failure. He is also the winner. The time he failed, but the next time he will succeed. If he tries one day, he will surely win. But before winning, he has failed several times. So can we say that he is actually a failure? No, of course not. This failing was some step to the success. The failing is just a part of his success. So failing is a part of our life. If a person fails, that doesn't mean that he is a failure or a loser. Rather, this means that he is the winner of the future. The one who fails several times doesn't actually fail. He just finds several ways that doesn't work. Then why he will be known as a failure? So if we fail, this doesn't mean that I will not to be able to succeed. This means that I will succeed next time. We have to remember one thing, that to succeed without trying to not good. But to try and fail is better. The opportunity, the situation, the time to succeed will not create automatically for us. We have to create this for us. We fail in any work, we have to do it in any other way, thought which can do the work properly. But we cannot give up, we have to think differently. We have to look from any other angle. We have to prevent it so that we did not the work it same way in future and fail the same way. For example, I was walking on the road and didn't realize that there was a banana trace on it. Suddenly I slipped and fell. The next day I put the trace of the road so that I wouldn't fall never again. I have to realize the reason for my fail and then I have to find another way to succeed. Giving up will not make a failure successful if we not solve all the problems. If a man really wants to succeed, then he has to try several times. Why we do give up? We give up, then our life will be waste. We have to believe that we can do everything we want. We are the best. Yes, today I am a failure, but one day I surely will be a successful man. Today I am running after the success, but one day success will run after me. We have to keep this in mind. There can be found no person who gave up and become successful in his life. But there can be found a lot of people who try but didn't give up, become successful one day. With the hope we can go far. We have to always keep this in mind. One day we can go away more. Yeah, today somebody else is ruling the world, but one day we have to rule the world. So we cannot give up this way. We have to rise and show the world, prove the world our real true identity. One day we will rule the world. We have to be prepared. Giving up doesn't make any reason. Rather it's just a waste of our life. Then why? Why do we give up? Let's ask the question. Let's ask the question to ourselves. When we give up, is it good to give up? Is it important to give up? We all have to fail yesterday, today or tomorrow. But this doesn't mean that we will not be able to succeed. We try, success will come to us and beg to us. Success will knock at our door and will try to accept the success. The only things we have to do is doesn't ever give up as long as we live. We cannot give up. We were not born to give up. We have to be successful and we will be successful because we were born to succeed.